Hi, today we are going to demonstrate about the refrigeration unit. This unit have made for a study as well as the research application where we can study about the refrigeration principle that how the refrigeration is work. Basically made for the component is called the compressor, expansion valve, condenser as well as the connected through the tubing, and in that tubing we are using the two kind of gauge where we can study about the high pressure, low pressure, and high temperature and low pressure. This gauge have the safety valve where they can disconnect the whole system in case of the emergency. This is called the cutoff point, like where they can shut down the system in case of the emergency. And we connected to the electrical panel, like this is the electrical panel where they can control the all connection and we can operate the system very smoothly. For example, we have the expansion valve. We know that the principle behind it, the principle is called the pressure volume equal to nRT, like pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So the compressor is connected to the condenser directly, and that compressor condenser is connected with the expansion valve, and this expansion valve is going back again to the evaporator line. So this is the all completely closed loop line here. This is called the expansion valve, like this. So let us discuss about the application of the principle. We can see that by image that we are using the compressor here, and the compressor is connected with the condenser line, and condenser line is connected with the expansion valve, and expansion valve is connected with the evaporator line. So what is happening here, we can see that the compressor, they're compressing the coolant, and after that they have the coolant have the high pressure, high temperature line, and then they're going to the condenser. Then condenser is observing some heat and they are changing the stage of the liquid. So it is in the form of the liquid and is passing through the expansion valve, and expansion valve is suddenly they have the different area here. So we know that like the pressure and volume, they have the inverse relation. So once high pressure and the volume is expanding, so again like the pressure is dropping, and then they passing through the evaporator line. The evaporator line, they are just reducing the temperature here, and then we can able to get the cooled air from the outside. So this is the principle that how we are working in the refrigeration line. So let us come back to our experiment again. Here we can have the different kind of approach to study about if you have the different kind of coolant. For example, we have the regulator valve here. We can regulate the flow of the liquid, and we can study that if the in case of the less liquid, so how they're affecting our coolant system and how they are making the relation between pressure and temperature. This all regulator we can make the variable in case of a study. And this downside we're using the compressor line and expansion line all through, like we can see that how they're affecting our research application. For example, in the downside regulator, we can, this is called the function line where we can reduce, yeah, reduce the, yeah, we can control manually the operation of the coolant what we are using that. So different kind of coolant how they are affecting to our research application, we can make the different kind of a study. Thank you for watching the video.